a turn. First you build a dream up just to watch it burn. It's easier to settle for the change, take a few scraps and just walk away. But I still believe when the chips are down, you will find your way up, lifting off the ground. I can see it like a sunrise on the hill. When you make it through the night, you're gonna feel. Hold on, you got this. All that you wanted is on the other side, and you're gonna find that it's rough and it's wild, but it's worth every mile. And when it burns inside your soul, that's how you know that you're on the road.
Alright guys, so today we're out on the rock. We're gonna try this new thing that we're doing. It's the Rising Rivers Anglers Challenge. So pretty much the rules are really simple. You choose 5 colors, any of them, and you get 5 chances with each color to catch 1 fish on it. So if you snag something and you lose one off, you got 5 chances to catch a fish with it. And I guess it's just a little friendly competition. So we're here with Outdoor Habits, John, and we're gonna see how it goes. See who wins.
Go.
Loser's gonna buy us first. So
yeah,
we're out here. We're gonna try our best and try to get some free lunch.
Yep. All right, guys, I'm out here with Uncle, dude. We're gonna do some Rising River Challenge. It's a little bit windy, but I get to pick my 5. Hopefully, I don't lose all of them. So let's get to fishing. This is in the afternoon, and we're gonna have some fun. Let's do this. Try these guys first. See what happens. Felt like a bite, guys. No way, Zonka, dude.
Oh, we out here.
Bro, what are you doing?
All right, I'll be telling you.
Dude, I'm not talking, man. The challenge is on, dude. We just double up. Like, we literally just did the intro. Go good?
Yeah,
this one felt good. This one felt good, too. This one felt like a bite. Bro, I'm not helping you net your fish, dude. I'm gonna net first. Let's go. Look, Zonka got a fish, dude. And we literally, what? This is like second cast?
Yeah. Oh, dude, that's a nice one.
Oh, dude, I got a stick. False alarm. You got a nice one, though. Yeah. Yep, nice one. Good start. What color is that?
It's dark purple.
Nice, dude. Game on. First fish of the day, dude.
All right, number 1.
Let's go. He's on.
Nice one. Nice one.
Heck yeah. Let's go, bro. I got a stick, so we'll be right back. Let's go. This feels like a walleye, yep. I don't think it's a keeper, but...
Oh, fish are on. There we go.
No way, bro. We gotta
double up.
Double up here, guys.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Right.
I'm trying to make him lose this fish. Yeah, this is head shaking fish, so it's a walleye.
There we go.
Let's go, brother. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
I ski him in.
Man, yours just skiing in. Mine's still buried. Oh, mine's a keeper, bro. Oh, mine's a keeper, dude. Show me your fish, dude. Proof.
All right, number 2.
All right.
All right, get yours. Get yours.
Might need the net. Keeper, dude.
Oh, dude. There we go.
Did I bring the ruler? Thrashing. Let's go, keeper.
Dude, there we go.
Oh, dude. Awesome, dude.
Nice.
Big male.
Yeah.
A big male. Oh my God, it's milking like crazy. Awesome, dude. That felt good. Look, this guy just choked a purple and white. Dang, this is nice. Milking male, dude. First fish on the board. Let him go. Beautiful fish. Fish on, guys. Let's see what color is this on. Dude, is this a white bass, bro? Yeah, it's a white bass. Yeah, let's go. I was right on the blue. I told you it was a white bass, dude. Got a white bass. That's a nice white bass, guys, on the blue Rising River flies. So we got dinner for my buddy here. Oh, keeper. Oh, dude, almost. Yeah, 17. Just fat. Dude, look at that. Look at that, guys. Fish number 3 on the challenge. engulfed the Rosie. Beautiful fish. We'll let him go, guys. Catch and release. Catch and release. Alright, guys. Quick update, man. I got the fathead minnow left with the black one, too. So I got him double rig here, and it's an overcast day, and it just feels right to be throwing something dark like this. So these two we'll see how it goes, man. I mean, we're catching fish, and fish are pretty active here. Fathead minnow. I'm gonna check this out along with the black one and see what happens. Fish on, guys. After the rain, it's been about a couple hours now.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a walleye. Head shaking walleye. Yep, we got a fish on the menu. Yeah, I just got one more to go. This is my 4th fish. There you go. Not a keeper, but we got the bite, so I'll take it. On the olive or what? Oh, on the black, on the black. No, I'm good. He swallowed it. He's not going anywhere, dude. He swallowed it. On the black fly, dude. He's bleeding because he swallowed this thing. Fish number 4. Guys, I was just using a black also. Really cool looking flyer. Guys, we are on. Hopefully it's fish number 5, dude. All I have left, guys, is just a fathead minnow. I just gotta close it up on that one, and that should be good. But this looks like a nice keeper walleye. It's not on the fathead.
That's a nice fish.
Yeah, it's a nice one too. Look, we swallowed. Dude, this is a keeper, bro. Look at that. Smoking. You see that? Smoking like crazy, guys. They are here. See you later.